back, everyone. Today we're going to take a look at the Enigma system, which consists of three players: the Enigma Wax itself, a QED, quick detailer, and a shampoo. All three of these are ceramic infused with ceramic particles, molecules. I don't want this to be confused with a ceramic coating. It's not a true ceramic coating. These are ceramic infused products that will protect like a ceramic coating. And I get a ton of questions on the system itself, so I'm going to break down each product or each player in this system one by one on a panel, and we'll go through some details with them. So let's take a look at the Enigma system. The Enigma system consists of the QED, which is a quick detailer, the shampoo, and the wax itself. You can get the wax in a 33 milliliter container for $37, a 250 milliliter container for $180. The QED and the shampoo both come in 500 milliliter bottles for $24. Again, not a cheap system, but very effective, very durable. You can get a package with the QED and the shampoo and a 33 milliliter container of the Enigma Wax, which is a hard wax, for $82.99. That package there isn't bad. I'm going to show you right here what it does. We have a panel. I have it cleaned off. And as you can see here, I'm showing you there's no protection whatsoever. So we're going to dry it off, maybe tape off a section so we can see the difference between one section to the other after using these products. And we'll get this going. I'm going to cover the shampoo first. There is a common misconception that this is somewhat similar to Gion Wet or the CarPro shampoo where there is an instant temporary coating. That's not so. It's to be used in conjunction with the wax and the QED to reinvigorate, to strengthen, to boost the gloss and just overall look and strength of the wax and the QED that you may have layered. As you can see here, it's not viscous. It's a thin neon dark blue color. It has a pleasant odor. I'm going to add 1 ounce to our IK foamer because you could use it as either a foamer or in a contact wash. I use it in both back-to-back. That really helps to strengthen your existing wax or QED. And I don't use the shampoo until after the wax or the QED is applied. I don't use it by itself. It does absolutely nothing. It does a great job at cleaning. If you want to use an expensive shampoo on its own by itself like this, you can. But I want to use it in conjunction with the system, get the most out of my money for the product itself, and this is how you do it. Has plenty of lubrication, plenty of suds in the contact bucket. Here's the product as a foamer for pre-wash. Give that a thorough rinse, and I'm going to go to a contact wash just like I would in a full wash routine. I've been asked, what do you do with the wash mitt? Do you throw it away after use? And no, you just thoroughly rinse it either with your pressure washer or under warm water. Wring it out thoroughly, dry it. It's good to go for the next wash. I'm going to use forced air to dry off this panel. Then I'll remove the tape and the paper. And I'll show you this is not an instant coating like some of the other products out there. It's meant to strengthen and reinvigorate over a period of time, over the duration of your wash system and your wash period. Now, although you can see the difference between where the product was used and where it was not, it's not going to be the difference you're going to see when the wax is used or the QED is used. And that was the QED shampoo and how it is to be used. And it even says on the label here, when used regularly, it will give you the best benefit. This here is the wax. Comes in either 33 milliliter or 250 milliliter. It's a hard wax. I love hard waxes. They're absolutely a pleasure to work with, easy to apply, easy to remove. But most importantly, if you get it from the right place, it's durable. Okay, so I have the panel, a section taped off once again, and we're going to apply a nice thick layer of the wax. When I do apply the wax to either my personal cars or customers' cars, it's going to be 2 layers, 2 coats. And I normally do that with all the waxes I apply. This is the wax up close as it's being applied in the first couple seconds as it's starting to cure. It's user friendly, very easy to apply, goes on thin. Removes even easier. You have a nice quality microfiber. You can fly around the car quickly. It does not smear. Okay, let me remove the tape, show you where the product is applied. It instantly makes the surface glossy, reflective, clear, water repellent, hydrophobic, UVA, UVB resistant. How durable the wax is subjective. Depending on your environment, wear and tear, you can get 9, 10, maybe even 11 months out of the wax just on its own. You use it in the system, and you have ongoing protection on your car. Again, protection like a ceramic coating. Self-cleaning like a ceramic coating, hydrophobic like a ceramic coating, glossy and reflective like a ceramic coating, but just not a full-blown ceramic coating and not the work that goes into applying one. Okay, we're going to move on to the QED because I get a lot of questions on the QED, and it happens to do with smearing. I have a section of the panel here, by the way. It's clean, ready to go. As you can see here, I sprayed some water on it. There's no beading, no protection whatsoever. When it comes to the QED, if you have smearing, it's very simple. You are applying too much at one time. I don't spray it right on the panel like a regular quick detailer. I'm going to show you how to properly do it to save product, save you time, work, and energy from the product smearing. Just give me a minute here. I want to finish protecting the area we're not going to apply the QED to. I want to pull that off and show you. This is a powerful quick detailer, and I'm going to show you how to apply it here. Grab a new microfiber applicator or foam applicator, and when I first introduce the product to the applicator, it's going to be 2 quick squirts. That's all you need. After that, the next time you need to add product to your applicator, it's going to be 1 quick squirt. And to apply it and spread it out evenly, do it like you would a coating. Crisscross patterns, cross hatch it. Make sure you have that section covered in the detailer. And there you go, 1 quick squirt, and here we go. Here's how the product should look like during application, not running down the side of the panel like you're putting 3 or 4 squirts from your regular quick detailer on a panel. It should be complete and even application. Removing the product, especially after proper application, is easy, user-friendly. I'll move the towel out of the way every once in a while. You can see here, no smearing. Please excuse the panel itself. It gets beat up, thrown around. It's not the point of the video anyways. But I'm going to remove the tape and the plastic, and I'll show you a little bit how the product protects. And just like the wax itself, it makes the area you apply it to glossy, reflective, clear, and water repellent. The wax as a standalone product is durable. You add that in conjunction with the QED and the shampoo, and the sky's the limit when it comes to durability. Okay, so I hope this helps answer some of the questions that you've been sending my way. I appreciate all the questions. I'm here to help you when I can. I do use the system. I had a hard time figuring out where I was going to fit this as a package into what I can offer customers, but I'll consider this somewhere along the lines of a sealant on steroids, somewhere between sealants and the entry-level ceramic coatings that I offer. And if I know it's a car that's going to come back to me to maintain, where I could use the QED and the shampoo properly, I will offer it. It's also a great system for you guys to purchase for yourselves as an enthusiast, as driveway detailers that take care of your own car. And if you're not looking for a full-blown ceramic coating, but you do want to add protection that has ceramic coating-like protection, this is a great system. It's not cheap, but it does have great durability. And like I showed you with the QED and the shampoo, when you use the system together regularly, that's how you keep everything maintained and in tip-top shape. If you have any other questions, don't hesitate. Brian from Apex Detail. Catch you in the next video.